Welcome to Brave English Podcast.
Your journey from stuttering to standing out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Brave English Podcast.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Emmy.
Today's episode is simple, fun, and very useful for your daily life.
Yes. Today, we will talk about your day, from morning to night.
We will ask each other questions.
And we will answer like real friends.
So you can learn how to speak about your daily routine.
Listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Let's start. Okay, Emmy, first question. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 9 or 10 or sometimes 11.
Jack, that's too much.
I know, but I love sleeping.
Sleeping is nice, but waking up early is better.
Maybe for you.
Okay, when I wake up, I check my phone.
Same here. Messages, notifications.
Yes, and sometimes social media.
Bad habit.
Very bad, but very common.
Then what do you do?
I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
Coffee again. You really love coffee.
Yes, coffee makes me feel good and ready.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, every day. And you?
Same. I cannot live without coffee.
Drama king.
It's true.
After coffee, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Good. Healthy habits.
Then I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
No, it takes time.
Same problem.
Sometimes I change my clothes 2 or 3 times.
Wow, fashion show.
Exactly.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes I eat eggs or bread.
That's good. I usually skip breakfast.
Not good, Jack.
I know. I need to improve.
What do you do after breakfast?
I start my day. I study English.
Nice. How do you study?
I listen to podcasts, like this one.
Good answer.
And I repeat sentences.
That's very important.
Sometimes I write new words.
Do you speak English every day?
I try to speak English every day.
Even if it's just a little?
Yes, even for 10 minutes.
That's perfect. What about your work?
I record podcast episodes and edit videos.
Sounds fun.
It is fun, but also a lot of work.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
Lucky.
Why?
Because you can stay in pajamas.
Hey, don't tell everyone. Okay, by the way, if you are still listening,
That means you like this episode.
so why not follow the podcast?
Yes, it really helps us.
And we make more episodes like this for you.
Simple English, real conversations, and fun topics.
So hit follow and continue learning with us.
Okay, let's continue.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I like to relax.
Finally, rest time.
Yes, I watch a movie or a series.
What kind?
Romantic and comedy.
Of course.
What about you?
Action movies.
Too loud.
Too fun.
Do you go out?
Sometimes I go out with friends.
Where do you go?
To a cafe or a restaurant.
Nice. I like cafes.
Do you drink coffee again?
Maybe yes.
Too much coffee.
Never enough.
What do you do before sleeping?
I prepare for the next day.
Like what?
I plan my tasks.
Very organized.
I try, not always perfect.
That's okay.
Then I watch something relaxing.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, again, bad habit.
We all do it.
Then I sleep around 11.
That's good. I sleep at 2 a.m.
Jack, no.
I know. I need help.
Yes, big help.
Let's play a quick game.
Okay,
Coffee or tea?
coffee.
Early morning or late night?
Late night.
Healthy food or fast food?
Healthy sometimes.
Honest.
Your turn.
Okay.
Okay. Sleep or gym?
Sleep.
Study or Netflix?
Netflix.
We are in trouble.
Yes, big trouble. Okay, guys, today we talked about daily routines.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
You learned simple questions.
And easy answers.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments.
What do you do every day?
When do you wake up?
Do you drink coffee?
What do you do in the evening?
Tell us everything.
We want to read your answers.
And maybe we will use your answers in the next episode.
So don't be shy.
Practice your English with us.
See you next time.
Bye.